AR-6 Stinger II. Introducing a revolution in crossbow technology, the compact AR-6 Stinger stands unrivaled, touting itself as the fastest multi-shot available today. Its remarkable feature allows it to discharge 6 arrows in a mere 20 seconds during practice thanks to its quick reloading mechanism situated on its fiber optic front. This guarantees swift and precise shots every time. The reloading process is a breeze, courtesy of its speed loaders. Weighing in at only 1.2 kilograms or 2.6 pounds, the Stinger is a perfect survival tool, and you can confidently nail your target from a distance of 15 meters or 49 feet with ease. It offers a range of add-ons, like a red dot for extended range, laser markers, and flashlights to cater to your specific requirements. With an asking price of just $300, the AR-6 Stinger is virtually unbreakable, making it a dependable ally in any survival situation. Fontus. The Fontus is an innovative device that makes water bottle refilling a breeze, as it has the ability to replenish its own supply. Its ingenious design allows it to seize the moisture floating in the air, condense it, and store it as potable water, an absolute essential for thrill seekers and adventurers. Several distinct models have been rolled out by the company. The Fontus Arrow, light as a feather, is the perfect companion when you're trekking through mountains or forests, ensuring you're never without a sip of water. For mountain bikers, there's the Fontus Ride. As you pedal away, its specially designed porous layer collects water. Both models operate on the same principle, where temperature differences cause condensation. The resultant liquid is then filtered, mineralized, and voila, ready to quench your thirst. In a span of an hour, you can expect about 500 milliliters or 16.9 ounces of water. Although this may vary based on weather conditions, all this will cost you $100. Offgrid Tool Survival Axe. This tool, boasting a whopping 31 features, is your ultimate companion for whatever comes your way. The design is all about strength and durability, featuring a full tang and axe head constructed from robust steel, while the handle is made from a lightweight yet extremely sturdy nylon filled with glass. The blade, which can be resharpened, is perfect for chopping duties, clearing up debris, or even demolition work. There is also a hammerhead and claw at your disposal, ideal for driving in and extracting tent pegs, measuring 27.9 centimeters or 11 inches, and weighing 680 grams or 1.5 pounds. It can fit snugly in your glove compartment. The versatile 6-inch bimetal saw blade is tucked inside the handle. It swings out and locks in place, ready to cut through practically anything you require it to. Plus, there's a car escape tool housed at the handle's base, complete with a window, punch, and seatbelt cutter. The multifunctional tool even has a gas valve, shut-off wrench, that doubles as a bottle opener, ready to be your hero in various scenarios, and it's all yours for just $70. Surviveware Outdoor Duct Tape. Don't forget to pack this for your next escapade, as its utility is only constrained by your creativity. You can craft a vessel for water, fasten a bandage, and ward off foot blisters, and even fashion a rope. Surviveware was established with a straightforward objective in mind: to produce top-notch gear that instills ultimate confidence during all your life's journeys. The tape itself measures 5 centimeters or 1.9 inches in width and is waterproof. While it is sturdy enough to erect a shelter, it is incredibly flexible, enough to be shredded into strips by hand. Marketed as an indispensable survival equipment piece, it retails at $11 per roll. Camillus Highlimb Branch Saw. This gadget is your perfect partner to safety prune towering branches without leaving terra firma. What sets the saw apart is the innovative handle that ingeniously integrates weights. It allows you to effortlessly fling the rope over lofty branches with unparalleled accuracy. Furthermore, the chainsaw blade has a dual direction design, facilitating cutting in both pole movements. To bolster safety, they included 2 6-meter or 20-foot strands of robust 136 kilograms or 300-pound paracord. From setting up a tree stand, post-storm cleanups, or simply routine property maintenance, this saw is the epitome of adaptability and has great appeal for many hikers and adventurers. A handy storage pouch with a belt loop is also bundled, making it easy to stow away the saw when idle, and all at a steal for just $50. Estream Portable Water Energy Plant. Estream is a compact hydroelectric generator that transforms moving water, like that found in streams or rivers, into accumulated energy, capable of powering most USB-connected gadgets of today, even when you're away from civilization. This generator has the power to generate between 2.5 watts and 5 watts of energy. When Estream is left hanging in the water, the flowing water spins to the turbine. This rotation prompts the generator to produce electricity. It's worth noting that Estream functions optimally even in a slow current, or when attached to your kayak, for the built-in 6,400 mAh per hour battery. To reach full capacity, it requires around 4.5 hours of running water. Once it's fully charged, the battery can power up to 3 smartphones, GoPros, or even tablet PCs at a speed twice faster than a standard outlet. Wicked Laser's FlashTorch. Meet the FlashTorch, a small, easily transportable beacon of brilliance that can generate a jaw-dropping 4,100 lumens of stark white brilliance. Its creators boast it has the planet's most luminous torch. The halogen bulb guarantees a life expectancy of 2,000 hours, making it a constant, reliable source of light. This potent luminosity can be your guiding star home, or even your impromptu cooking device to fry an egg. Forged out of military-standard anodized aluminum, the FlashTorch has toughness levels that match its brightness, capable of withstanding the toughest of conditions. The lens and reflector, both resistant to heat, can redirect this powerful light into a broad floodlight or a piercing searchlight. Its 3 power selection modes allow you to regulate the brightness according to your requirements. Recharging is a breeze as there's no need to remove the battery. An added feature is the new automatic lockout mode that helps avoid unintentional usage. All these fantastic features come with a price tag, though, of $400. Camillus Carnivore X 18-inch Machete. Dating all the way back to 1876, Camillus stands as one of the world's most ancient knife-making companies. Their expertise has transformed a simple machete into a multifunctional instrument fit for cutting, slicing, digging, gutting, and handling various crucial tasks. Measuring a total of 46 centimeters or 18 inches, this machete's blade spans 30.5 centimeters or 12 inches and is forged from 420 grade steel with a titanium finish. This coating makes it thrice as sturdy as its average counterparts. With this design, your concerns about the blade's durability lessen, enabling you to concentrate more on the challenges you'll encounter outdoors. The titanium treatment also ensures exceptional retention of the blade's sharpness. Whether you're a hunter, camper, hiker, or adventurer, this machete is ideal for you. Supported by a lifetime warranty, the machete has a price tag of just $35 and will undoubtedly become an indispensable part of your outdoor gear collection. Voltec lifepod. Are you an intrepid explorer always on the go? Voltec offers a variety of robust storage solutions to safeguard your precious items against all elements. Meet LifePod X, a compact weather-resistant safety box designed to keep your cash, passport, medications, mobile devices, and other precious possessions safe from theft or damage. It comes with an integrated lock system, a breakthrough feature that lets you quickly safeguard your belongings and provides an added shield of protection when needed. You can lock your tools securely within the box, preventing any movement that could lead to possible damage. Plus, you can secure the box itself to a pole or bench for that added sense of security while you enjoy a dip in the water. Being able to endure tough weather conditions, you can fasten it virtually anywhere. For those who need more room, the LifePod XT is a larger water-resistant case designed specifically for firearm transportation. It has room for up to 5 handguns and 12 magazines, and the biometric locking feature ensures that they won't fall into unintended hands, providing significant protection for the firearms themselves. Baha Shovel. The foldable shovel is truly a jack of all trades, perfectly designed for activities such as camping, trekking, gardening, and so much more. Its versatility can replace the function of 21 different tools. This simple, easy-to-handle shovel not only elevates your outdoor adventures, but it's also your perfect companion in times of emergency. With its numerous features, it can provide a quick fix for those unforeseen incidents on your journey, or give you the support you need when you run into minor roadblocks. The survival kit is complete with its own branded waterproof bag and case. When fully extended, it measures just under a meter, crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy. It's a compact lifesaver that you can own for $89. Bugeye Compass. The 360-degree floating compass, a product of British craftsmanship, represents an unwavering dedication to excellence. Despite its small stature, it's incredibly durable, boasting an IPX8 rating for resistance against both water and sand. Its clever design ensures that it fits snugly in your hand or pocket, or even attached to a keychain. Every inch of its design, with flexibility in mind, letting you concentrate on your destination. The liquid-filled orb is an ingenious way to maintain balance and take compass readings from any angle. It also comes with glow-in-the-dark dials for easy reading in low light. It's available in either brass or titanium variants. The brass model, weighing in at 112 grams or 3.9 ounces, retails for $37, while the lighter titanium model weighs just 65 grams or 2.3 ounces and costs $45. TAQ Wallet. This crafty billfold comes packed with a potent USB rechargeable flashlight and a handy screwdriver. It's not your average wallet. The wallet is kitted out with a glass slicer, a bottle cap popper, aircraft-grade aluminum, stainless steel, and a nylon carabiner hook. The blinker mode is a lifesaver when you're lost, providing light for up to 3 hours on just one battery refill. Moreover, it offers protection for your RFID cards, so you can carry up to 10 credit cards without worry. There's also a spring-loaded clip to keep your cash secure. And the best part, you can get this all in one wallet for a mere $75. Inreach Mini 2. For those with a knack for exploration, securing a small yet powerful satellite communicator is crucial, particularly when your journey takes you beyond civilization's reach. Garmin has designed a gadget that adds an additional safety blanket to your escapades. Its universal satellite connectivity ensures you're never truly alone, even when your mobile phone throws its hands up. This means you can still get in touch with your loved ones during times of distress. What's more, the battery life is impressive. It can support your adventures for an extended period, providing 24 days of use on its standard 10-minute tracking setting, or up to 30 days if you choose the 30-minute tracking intervals. The device comes with an emergency response feature that shares your exact location and is both shock-resistant and waterproof. There's also a trackback function, so if you ever find yourself disoriented, you can simply follow your own digital breadcrumbs back to safety. This little lifesaver comes with a price tag of $350. Flame Cube. This potent mini camping stove is incredibly light and collapsible, a well-organized timber burner, more than just enabling you to boil water, cook, and provide warmth in the wild. It also has the capacity to transform flames into electrical power to juice up your handheld gadgets. By utilizing small branches or other forms of organic fuel to ignite a blaze, the thermoelectric converters tucked within the Flame Cube can morph heat into electrical power. It then allocates some of that power to drive the fans, which infuse more clean air, thus keeping the flame alive. Crafted from stainless steel, it has a feather-like weight of 775 grams or 1.66 pounds and possesses an endless battery life with a capacity of 3.7 volts. The only thing required from you is to unfold the container, extract the blue control unit, and secure it in position. If you enjoyed this video, click on the video on the right of the screen for more content like this.